Hi, my name is Fortuna, your personal assistant at Forvest. Today, I want to talk to you about our trading tools and how they can help you make informed decisions in the cryptocurrency market. Our tools are designed to help you reduce the risks of trading and investment, while providing you with the information and analysis you need to succeed. Maximize your cryptocurrency trading strategy with our Smart Predictive Indicator. Tailor your indicators to your specific needs using Python programming language, and access them easily on our website or TradingView. At Forvest, we believe in using smart predictive indicators to reduce investment risk in the crypto market, and our tool is designed to help you do just that. Our Writing Bot strategy service removes the uncertainty of auto trading by creating a customized plan for your investments. We can help you develop a bot strategy that aligns with your trading style, goals, and risk tolerance. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned trader, we can assist you in creating a profitable and efficient trading strategy. Forvest offers backlisting and live-listing services to help you test your trading strategies before investing your capital. Our backlisting service simulates trades using historical data, while our live-listing service lets you test your strategy in real-time market conditions. Our statistical, machine learning, and AI tools optimize your trading strategy. With statistical analysis, we identify the best parameters, while our machine learning and AI algorithms help you make informed decisions based on past performance and market trends. Refine and perfect your strategy with Forvest for the best chance of success. At Forvest, we're committed to helping you make informed decisions in the cryptocurrency market, whether you're a beginner or experienced trader. Our tools and services are designed to reduce risks and increase your chances of success. And me, Fortuna, be at your side and help you find the best fortune-making opportunities with confidence.